frustrated entering a trade based on a single indicator only to watch the market reverse on you? We get it. In today's fast-paced market, relying upon just one signal isn't enough. That's why in this video, we are going to show you how to build a high conviction multi-indicator option buying strategy from scratch using Quantman's powerful option basket feature. We will combine the strength of indicators like super trend, RSI, pivot and range breakouts to help you confirm your trades are more confident. Whether you're looking for a cleaner entry, smarter exits or automated execution, this setup has covered. And yes, we will backtest in live so that you can see the results for yourself. So if you are serious about improving your edge and cutting through the noise, stay tuned, you are going to love this. As usual, log in into Quantman platform. Once you have logged in, go to backtest or algo page. For this strategy, I am going to backtest this from January 1, 2022 and my end date will be yesterday. As it is a multi-indicator based buying strategy, I am going to give us buying strategy. We are going to trade this strategy in Nifty. In indicators part, there will be a default current candle of 5 minutes in the field of equity, which means on the spot chart. But now I am going to delete this and add the indicator of options basket. I'll be taking the trade only when the market is in bullish trend. So I'm going to give here call option buy at the spot based ATM. And the strike selection that I'll be taking is time of the day equal to 9:16. Whatever strike price is there at 9:16, the Quantman will lock the strike price and based on the entry condition, it will be being executed. Now I'm going to add the indicator for the current candle of 3 minutes chart and it will be mapped on my combined premium basket. And another indicator that I'm going to add is super trend. I'm not going to change any period. Let it be in 10 and 2 and the candle interval will be 3 minutes chart for the entire basket. For my better conviction, I'm going to add RSI. Let it be in 14 period of 3 minutes chart for the entire basket. The next indicator that I'm going to add is EMA. The period will be 9 for the 3 minutes chart for the entire basket. The next indicator that I'm going to add is CCI. I'm going to change the period into 8 and my candle interval will be 3 minutes for my basket. The next indicator that I'm going to add is range breakout. My range breakout start time and end time will be of 9:16 to 9:30. I have set the breakout from 9:16 to 9:30. Only after that, if the conditions are met, I'll be entering into my trade. Even this will be mapped for my combined basket. The next indicator that I'm going to add is Bollinger Band. The period that I'm going to change is 15 period of 2 multiplier for the 3 minutes chart and it will be marked for the entire basket. And the last indicator that I'm going to add is pivot point. Even this pivot point will be mapped on my basket. So as of now, we have selected the instruments and added the indicators. Now we have to tell the Quantman what action to take place. Now I'm going to give the entry condition as current close is above super trend. Super trend is used to generate clear buy or sell signals based on the price movements. So the next condition that I'm going to add is CCI is above 120. This CCI will help me to identify the overbought and oversold zone. The next condition that I am going to add is current close is above Bollinger Upper Band. Normally, the Bollinger Bands are used to identify the volatility and potential reversal zones. So based on that, I have given the BB Upper Band. The next condition that I am going to give is current close is above range breakout high. My settled range has breaked its high, then I'll be entering into my trade. The next condition that I'm going to give is current close is above pivot R1. Pivot points are used to identify the key support and resistance levels. So for this strategy, I have given when my market goes at R1 level, then I'll be entering into my trade. The next indicator that I'm going to add is RSI. So whenever my RSI is above 70, I'll be entering into the trade. It will help me to mark my overbought and oversold zone. And the last condition that I'm going to give here is days to expire is about 2. By giving this will help me to escape from my theta decay. All the conditions are met, then I'll be taking the trade. So these are the entry conditions that I have given. Now it's time to the exit condition. So whenever my current close crosses below super trend, I'll be exiting from my trade, thinking the market got reversed. Now I'm going to open the basket. In this strategy, I'm going to use an advanced feature, that is opening my second case. For that, I have to enable my advanced option and I'm going to duplicate this case. So it will be mapped as case 2. My all the entry conditions will be same except the days to expiry. Now I am going to change this as equal to 0. As we have seen in current scenario, most of the time only on the expiry day, even there was so much fluctuations in the market. So to capture that, I am going to trade on the expiry day also. So in the case 1, I will be opening the basket if my days to expiry is above 2. And on case 2, I will be trading when it is 0. So now I'm not going to change anything and the maximum transaction per day will be 2. So let's see the backtested results. So these are the results from January 1, 2022 to till date. My winning probability is also above 50% and my risk per trade is also above 1%. So you can see all the heat maps over here and the transaction details over here. That's it for today. We have built a multi-indicator option buying strategy with Quantman's option basket. As you just saw, layering the technical confirmations like super trend, RSI, pivots can give you a more structured, reliable way to enter into the trades. More than just the signals, it's about combining them with backtested logic and automated execution, which is giving you the discipline and consistency that most traders struggle to achieve. So what's next? Log in into Quantman, backtest this strategy and make it yours and let your trade speak for yourself. Hope this video find useful for you. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Got questions? Confused about any step? Drop them in the comments. We read every one of them and we are here to grow. Remember, with the right tools and solid plan, you don't just trade, you trade smarter. This is Quantman helping you trade with confidence. Until then, trade bold, trade smart, trade with Quantman. See you in the next video.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.